Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to today's breaking news video. News number 1. Reliance is likely to launch affordable 5G Android smartphone. Reliance Industries is likely to launch an affordable 5G Android smartphone in the next 4 to 6 months. It is being developed in partnership with Google. Reliance is also planning to launch a laptop called GeoBook. The aim is to target the more than 30 crore feature phone users in India. Feature phones means the phone with the buttons and not the touch screen. So Jio is trying to target such people who will migrate to smartphones from feature phones. News number 2. Cargo traffic continuously declining for 11 months. Cargo levels of India's top 12 ports have declined for the 11th consecutive month. India has 12 major ports under the control of the central government: Kandla, JNPT, Mumbai, Mormugao, New Mangalore, Cochin, Chennai, Kamarajar, Chidambaranar, Vishakhapatnam, Paradip, Kolkata. News number 3. Today's stock market update. Nifty closed flat, down only 7 points. Sensex closed marginally lower, down 51 points. The Nifty levels were as follows. Previous close, that means the Friday's close, was 14,744. Opening today was 14,736. High 14,763. Low 14,597. And closing was flat 14,736. News number 4. 4 IPOs will be listing this week. These IPOs were open for subscription last week, it got closed, and this week they will all be listed in the stock markets. Anupam Rasayan, March 24th, Craftsman Automation, March 25th, Lakshmi Organics, March 25th, and Kalyan Jewelers, March 26, 2021, listing on the stock exchanges. News number 5. Barbecue Nation IPO video uploaded. We have uploaded a detailed video on Barbecue Nation IPO today around 2 p.m. in our channel. Please watch the video and get the complete details. News number 6. Daily target of COVID vaccination of 1 lakh in 6 states. Various states such as Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Andhra Pradesh have increased the target of COVID vaccination to 1 lakh per day so that more people can be vaccinated. Also, private hospitals are requesting the government to open the vaccination for general public so that more people can be vaccinated. Right now what's happening, the capacity is there to inject, capacity is there to vaccinate, but there are not sufficient people to vaccinate because there are limited people in the senior citizens group and people who are above 50 but have some health problems. So private hospitals are suggesting that you open for everybody. Whoever wants to take the vaccine, let them come so that we can finish the vaccination for the entire country as fast as possible. This was today's breaking news. If this video was good, please press the like button. If you understood the contents of this video, please type understood and share this video with all your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.